Hi everyone. So now we have Panasonic L30. It's from 1990s in great cosmetic condition, still in original drawer. We did full service for it, changed the belts, cleaned the heads, clean everything inside, lubricate what has to be lubricated, um, also fixed the lights, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in it. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Even though it's a kind of low class Panasonic, but they sound amazing. If I would be you, I always choose the Panasonic brand from 1990s. They're fantastic radios. Okay. Okay, let's try the cassette. Let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. Since this is two-color radio, let's switch the color. You have to press this button and hold for a while. Now the green comes up. Okay, all lights are perfect. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves or long waves mode. Okay, so simply press the mode button a couple times, I think. Band button, sorry. Once, twice, and here is I am. Okay, now you are on Bluetooth mode. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth, wait a few seconds, and here it is. Simply press it, connect it. Now it's connected, okay? We can go to any music you have on your phone. Cool, right? And it's really simple to use. Bluetooth is invisible, it's inside the radio. Let's switch the song. Oh, it sounds really good, really good. Okay, so when you want to back to your regular radio, simply press this band button once or a couple times until you're back to FM mode, and that's it. Once is enough, and you are back to FM mode. Cool, right? Thumbs up.